Look at that tree. Look at it. Oh my god, it's just bending over. That is not normal. Oh my gosh, we never seen this storm. That's not normal. All these trees right here, including these trees, are like completely covered in snow. Wow. Look at this, guys. Oh my gosh, this is a lot of snow that's falling down right now. This is the worst snowstorm in like 20 years or something. I was not even born. This is way more worse than back then in 2018. January 2018. This is way more worse, sir. Way more worse than back in January 2018. Well, get prepared for this winter, folks. I think that we're not going to survive this winter. I mean, we might, but this winter is catastrophic. And this is the sign. Look at that tree. Just look at that. That is not normal. Oh, there goes the squirrel. You can see that. Squirrel fell. Oh, whoa. No, wait. It's actually snow. It's getting too heavy if it falls off. Look at that.